Welcome back to Yoga by Paige. In today's meditation, we are going to work with a body scan. Body scans are really great for us to reconnect with the body, to kind of understand where we are holding tension in the body and where we might be able to let go, creating space for opportunity. So when you are ready, just come into whatever seat that you will take. That can be on a cushion, in a chair. You might even choose to lie down. And then just make yourself comfortable here. If you have back support, just make sure you're sitting up nice and tall, allowing the shoulders to drop away from the ears. Elbows are hanging underneath the shoulders. And you can rest the backs of your hands into your palms. Take a moment here to just connect with your breath, taking a nice big deep inhale to fill your lungs. Open mouth, let it go. We'll do that 2 more times. Inhale through your nose. Exhale out. Last one here. Inhale. And exhale out. And as you exhale, allow the eyes to close or the gaze to soften. Beginning to just feel the surface that you are sitting upon. Allowing the breath to come back to its natural cadence. And from here, we'll start with the crown of our head. So you can imagine that as you bring your focus to each part of your body, that any tension or resistance begins to dissipate. So scanning from the very tippy top of your head here, slowly begin to work your way down. Checking in here with the eyes, feeling the eyes soften in their sockets. Feel the tongue release from the roof of your mouth. Allow the jaw to hang slightly slack. Feel the length of your neck. And the ability to drop the shoulders down away from your ears. Noticing the rise and fall of your breath through the chest, softening where you might be gripping, allowing the breath to be easy and natural. Begin to imagine your diaphragm inflating as you fill your lungs, pulling down and resting back in its natural space as you breathe in. Feel the belly soften, releasing any tension you may hold. Starting to notice the hips here as they sit upon your surface. The heaviness as they anchor you down. Begin to imagine your legs as if they were lead, sinking toward the ground, toward Mother Earth. No reason to engage or move. And start to notice your feet upon your surface, feeling this connection, this power from earth, this deep-seated wisdom. Feeling the ease in your body. Continuing to let go of anywhere in your body that might be active. Feel this sense of lightness, of opening. And with this sense of lightness, allow the mind to wander wherever it might like to go. Giving it freedom to explore and roam. And gently begin to deepen the breath. Bringing your awareness back to the surface in which you're sitting upon. Re-entering the body. Noticing the sensations you've created. When you're ready, slowly begin to blink the eyes open, coming back into your space. Taking a moment to wiggle the fingers or stretch your neck. Feeling this ease in the body as you carry about the rest of your day. Taking a moment anytime throughout your day to connect to the breath and let some part of the tension that builds dissipate. Just let it go. Thank you for being here. Namaste.